presenting a pre-owned 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan SE 4Motion. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and sunroof.